We are about to take our Defender Puma out off-roading for the first time on sand. We are in Robe and we're heading down to Little Dip Conservation Park to have a go there. She's only a little 2.4, but she does have the anti-stall in the first 2 gears, so we'll see how we go. See you soon! We went and got some amazing coffee. Magic from Drift Road. We've just got here to the Little Dip Conservation Park. I'm going to go over and show you the map. We're going to drop the tyres down to 20. It does recommend 15, but we're just going to see how we go with the 20 PSI. She's ready. Right, this is the entrance. I mean, if they can do it, we can do it.
It's 30 rides?
I don't know.
I can't remember.
Okay, so we're to a very good start. We missed the very first turn.
No, that's right.
What were we supposed to turn at? Stony Creek?
Stony Creek.
Alright, so this is the Stony Creek. Stony Rise part.
Yep.
Okay. She's pretty snug.
Gets pretty snug.
Oh. What a view.
How's the video, babe?
Oh my god! I feel like I got air just then. It's a terrible day not to wear a bra.
It's nearly got the phone out of your hands.
You're gonna slap me in the face as we drive. It's gonna be a great video.
But not too fast that you're bouncing all over the place.
She's sliding.
I think it's the wheels in the guards. Alright, it's got to be in.
Woo! It seems to be okay, but now we're on Long Beach. My chauffeur. And she's ticking along quite nicely. I think we're going for beer.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Should we go to the Robe Hotel?
Yeah.
I can't believe you're one-handed driving on the beach. Terry really wanted to listen to the Creed Arms Wide Open today.
Oh shit.
He's been, let's just say, craving it. So we've put on the radio for Creed on Spotify, and hopefully we'll get some fucking bangers.
No.
She's bumpy. This is the first ramp. First ramp of Long Beach. Everyone seems to come down the second ramp because it's the first one that you come to. But
And it's easier.
yeah. So this is the first ramp.
Full off-road.
Full
version.
off-road.